If you want to keep a YouTube video handy inside your schedule, or you want to turn a calendar event into a quick video reminder, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube link in a Google Calendar event in just a few simple steps. This is super useful for study sessions, training videos, meetings, tutorials, or any event where you want the video link saved right inside the event details. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com or by opening it from your Google Apps menu if you already use Gmail or other Google tools. Once Google Calendar loads, you'll be on your main calendar view, where you can see your upcoming events by day, week, or month. Now look for the Create button. In most cases, you'll see it on the left side of the screen, or sometimes near the top depending on your layout. Click Create, then choose Event. This opens the Event Setup window, where you can add all the details for your calendar entry. Next, give your event a title. For example, you might type something like YouTube study session, video review, tutorial watch time, or anything that clearly tells you what the event is for. A clear title makes it much easier to find later, especially if you have a busy calendar. After that, set the date and time for your event, choose the exact day you want the reminder to appear, and then set the start and end time if needed. If this is something you want to watch later, make sure the timing matches your schedule so the reminder actually helps you stay on track. Now comes the important part. Open the YouTube video you want to save and copy its URL from the address bar. You can do this by highlighting the link and pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Make sure you copy the full link so it will open correctly later. Go back to your Google Calendar event and find the description field. This is where you want to paste the YouTube link. Click inside the description box and paste the URL. You can also add a short note above or below the link if you want, such as why you saved the video, what you want to remember, or what you plan to do after watching it. If you want, you can also add a notification or reminder. This is a great idea if you don't want to forget about the event. You can choose a pop-up reminder, an email reminder, or both, depending on how you like to be notified. This way, Google Calendar can alert you right before the event starts. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your event will now appear on your calendar with the YouTube link stored inside the description. When the event comes up, just open it and click the YouTube link to watch the video directly. It's a simple but really effective way to organize content you want to view later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a YouTube link in a Google Calendar event. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for keeping videos organized alongside your schedule. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Google Calendar and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.